Hello everyone, I'm Vincent. Very happy today that you are still following our sublimation channels. Today we have once again circled back to this hurly-burly new customization focused department. As you can see, our workers are at their full swing and in the pursuit of the high productivity and efficiencies. And quick question. Have you ever want to launch your own new special on, the phone brand? Maybe you already have the supplier or from any other factory, but you are just unable to find out a factory one resources manufacturer that are really reliable and responsible for your need. So we are here to wait for you, and choosing Prosub, then you are choosing the high quality and the reputation. So no hesitation, let's get right into it. First, let me show you something important. We are an original manufacturer with self-developed coating technology and full in-house production. That means stable quality and better prices for you, and no middleman to lie through the pockets. Now here we come to the best part of this video, which is you don't have to order thousands of the blank case, because even one case is will keeping you blowing your minds. So right now with me, and let's go and check out how is the cases coming out, and I will show you the entire experience. Let's go. Do you want to test your design? No problem. We offer the full patterns customization services. Just upload your artwork, choose the case type, and we handle the rest. One piece's POD sampling is available. Perfect for testing before your scaled up, right? We are capable to covering a wide range of sublimation bankets, such as the field case, snack case, chop case, and either the 2D customizational TPU element case and the glasses covers. We are also be able to fit in your style, and either of your brand style or your customization patterns, we are capable to achieve this kind of goal. So which kind of sublimation bankets that you want to fit in your shopping cart for this summer? I can't wait to hear from you. Whether you are selling on Shopify, Amazon, ETSY, or building your own brand, we have got the solution and we're willing to cooperate with you. If the high quality that really matters to your customers, and which means that it really does matter much more better for us. So you don't have to worry about the quality, and that's the mission that we've been committed to achieve. Our products are backed by ISO certified manufacturing, international certifications, and professional quality inspection report, giving you a brand confidence in every shipment. I hope those spectacular cases are really smitten or drawing your attention to it. As you can see, those excellent and extraordinary cases I'm beholding, we are categorized them into two special type of pattern and brands. As you can see, this is applicable with the self-constructed images and the cartoon designs. You can see the oil painting. On the contrary, this one I'm holding here, they are the abstract image that with the special texture with the colors of the oranges and the red one. So whether you are in favor of either of these cases, we are always finding one of them for you. What's more of those cases is that there is one more exceptional attributes of them is that their scratch resistances and long-lasting attributes. As you can see, whether you are mildly scratch the surface of these cases, it will be recovered in a couple of minutes. So why not? Why not choose these spectacular cases to this summer? I think there will be no one will be denied these cases for your daily essentials. So pick it up and choose one of them. I'm here to waiting for you. Well, here comes to the end of this video. I hope you are finding this video is so entertaining and educational, no matter for your personal preference and your sublimation business. It's a high time. It's also a high time for you to choose your common and ordinary self-image or design, turning it into a spectacular and extraordinary and exceptional art of the aesthetic and your personal design. No hesitation to contact the Prosub company today, because we are always here to waiting for you to be devoted to coming out great cases to your upper need. So hope you see you next time in the next video. I'm Vincent, and see you next time. Bye bye.